We know the origin of the 10 commandments were when the people of Israel, while they were walking through the desert, they disobeyed God. God gave the 10 commandments to them to be followed. And all through the life of the Jews, the Israelites, they had been living these commandments, but now and then they had been going against that. When we look into the New Testament, we find the supreme commandment of love. Jesus comes with that supreme commandment of love. He sums up, in other words, the 10 commandments, and he says, the greatest commandment is love of God and love of neighbor. To love God and to love your neighbor. This is the summary of the 10 commandments. And that in a new way, Jesus introduced that among us, to experience the love of God and to share this love with all those whom we encounter in our day-to-day life. My dear brothers and sisters, we have rules and regulations throughout our life, wherever we are. The best example we can give is when we drive on the roads. We all know and we have great experiences that if you follow the traffic rules, then you will be able to arrive at your destination soon or safely. If you don't follow the rules, then you get into all kinds of trouble. When we play games on the field, there are a lot of rules they have to follow.